very warm good morning and a heartiest welcome to all. We are finally here to celebrate Explorica 2020 and intra-school competition on commemoration of the 24th death anniversary of Shri Hardayal Mahajanji. I, Nisha Gupta, welcome all wonderful and enthusiastic parents and my smart and dear students on behalf of Motiram Arya Senior Secondary Model School, Chandigarh on a very special day. We are glad about your presence. Since the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the normal lifestyle of people the globe, the virtual world has come to the rescue. So we are here to celebrate this special event on the online platform. I would like, I would really like to thank our supportive and honorable management, our President Sir Shri Anil Mahajanji, Director Ma'am Mrs. Rachna Mahajan, Manager and Trustee of JB Charitable Trust Mrs. Uma Bhanot Ma'am, Advisor Ma'am Mrs. Saroj Sawant, Principal Ma'am Dr. Seema Biji, Headmistress Ma'am Mrs. Ramandeep Kaur, Administrative Officer of the school ML Sondi Sir, and my dear colleagues. It couldn't have been possible without your guidance and kind support. JB Charitable Trust, which was founded by the two philanthropist brothers, Sarv Shri Jhandamal Mahajan and Sarv Shri Bihari Lal Mahajan, in the sacred memory of their father, Shri Moti Ram Mahajan, in Johar Munda, West Pakistan, in the year of 1924. Re-establishing this educational institutions goes to its late president, Shri Hardayal Mahajan. Along with his wife, Mrs. Shakuntala Mahajan, our chief patron worked hard with utmost devotion and dedication to further the cause of education and are responsible for bringing these institutions to its present stature and eminence. And now the legacy is in hands of present President Shri Anil Mahajanji and his wife Mrs. Rachna Mahajan, the present director of the school. They are carrying on the task of education with the same zeal and vigor. Before commencing the event, we must provoke God for giving us extreme knowledge and wisdom. Let us join our hands for the Gayatri Mantra.
स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Let us get ready for the virtual lamp lighting. Education is the pathway to the future. For tomorrow belongs those who prepare for it today. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. The personality who has consumed herself to change the society and light the darkness in the life of your children. The respected principal of MRA School, Dr. Seema Viji, is requested to address the audience.
A very warm good morning to one and all. I feel privileged and honored to welcome you all to the inauguration of Explorica 2020. I extend my hearty welcome to you all. As Mrs. Nisha rightly pointed out, that to further the cause of education, our late President Shri Hardyal Mahajan ji and our chief patron Mrs. Shakuntala Mahajan worked hard to bring out these two educational institutions, MRA Senior Secondary School Chandigarh and MRA Modern Public School Panchkula. So we salute to them for this contribution. We are all here to commemorate the 24th death anniversary of our founder president. Every year, the school organizes various activities. Due to COVID situation, we are not able to organize the activities offline. But no matter what, we are organizing the activities online, but in a different manner. Parents, you'll be glad to know that we have already organized our first edition of MUN conference with the efforts of my students and dedicated team of my teachers. The conference proved to be a great platform for the students to understand international issues and problems, and certainly broaden the horizon of the students. As many as 70 students from 15 schools participated in the conference. The students of class 8 to 12 were involved in the conference. This conference was once again dedicated to commemorate the death anniversary of our founder president Shri Hardyal Mahajan ji. And now the next event we are organizing is Explorica 2020. In Explorica 2020, we have taken up classes 6 to 8. We are happy to share that even the parents are participating in the event. I thank the parents for always supporting the school in all its initiatives. With the fond memories of our former president, we inaugurate Explorica 2020. We feel the absence of our students, so we thought of reaching to them to involve them in value creation activities. I'm sure this is again going to be a great platform for the students to express their creative potentialities. Our intention is to bring about the holistic development of our students. So we have planned our activities catering to the varied interests of the students. My advice to the students is to believe in healthy competition. Winning or losing is a part of life. For me, all the students who have participated are winners. Winning does not always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you have ever done before. Here, I take the opportunity to thank the management for supporting in the organization of such activities. I also thank my team of dedicated teachers for the organization of Explorica 2020. Last but not the least, I thank the parents for motivating the children to participate in such events, which would certainly help them to become all-rounders and help them in the development of life skills. In the end, I would like to request the parents once again to take the online classes very seriously and make sure that students have a daily fixed timetable for all the activities, be it academic or co-curricular. We must discipline the children for their holistic development. I'm sure you all must be doing that, but a gentle reminder from my side. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was indeed motivating and extremely informative. We are so honored and privileged to have you among us. All you all know Lord Ganesha is a symbol of knowledge, and he is also called as Vighnaharta, means one who clears the obstacles in the path. I pray the God to grace us so we could begin the event successfully. Over to you, Richika ma'am.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा
गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोहे भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश तालदय धुरपत गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे मृदंग बजावे
से कोई शरणागत आवे संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे
भाव भगत से कोई शरणागत आवे संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे
ऐसे तुम महाराज मुझको अति भावे गोसावी नंदन निश दिन गुण गावे
What a mesmerizing performance. You are a wonderful audience, and I hope that we have been a good host equally. Sometimes it only takes One good song to bring back thousands of good old memories. Are you excited to listen to a brilliant song by one of our students? So let's enjoy the song by Yana Bakshi, Heal the World.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this bliss, you feel there's no heart or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough to living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, if you care enough for living. Make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that can lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful living. If you try, we shall see. In this place we cannot feel. Fear or dread, we stop existing and stop living. And it feels that always love's enough for us growing. So make a better world, make a better world. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, if you care enough for living. Make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were conceived in with a joyful face, and the one we once believed in we're shining again in grace. Then why do we keep stranded like what this earth was find soon? No, it's plain to see as well as heavenly. Leave God's love so high that our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you pour on my brothers. We're the one with no fear, till the wind for happy tears. See the nations turn the swords into bushes. We could really get there if you get enough of the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, if you care enough for living. Make a place for you and for me. Make it a better
Thank you, Yana. Such a wonderful performance you have given. God bless you. Prayer has a lot of healing powers. In this COVID time, the spiritual energy is required to face the challenges. So let us hear a beautiful and inspiring prayer song. It's over to you, Richika ma'am.
तेरी है ज़मीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर
तेरी है जमीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर
तेरी मर्जी से ये मालिक हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं तेरी रहमत से हम सब ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना तेरी है जमीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर
तू चाहे तो हमें रखे तू चाहे तो हमें मारे तेरे आगे झुका के सर खड़े हैं आज हम सारे ओ सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले तू चाहे तो हर आफत टाले ओ सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले तू चाहे तो हर आफत टाले तेरी है जमीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर
Great. This prayer song truly depicts the doors of heaven. जैसे खुशी का लम्हा पल में गुजर जाता है, वैसे ही दुखों का समंदर भी जल्द ही बह जाएगा। ये कोविड का बुरा वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा और स्कूल का कॉरिडोर फिर से चहचहाएगा। Dear audience, your presence made this day a memorable day. Thank you for listening, for encouragement, for being here, and most importantly, for giving your time and your presence. Thank you. You are such a wonderful audience, and I hope you enjoyed a lot. Once again, thanks to the hard work that all the team members have put in teachers, students, organizers, and every team member to make this possible. My dear students, wish you all the best for your Explorica intra competition. Thank you all and have a nice day.